My name is Jeff Hurd, and welcome to my course, UX User Testing. Sharing our ideas, mockups, and prototypes to users is a powerful step to creating great products, but it can be extremely difficult to find the right kinds of users, document the findings, and keep bias completely out of the process. In this course, we're going to go over the best practices of usability testing in order to obtain high-quality feedback that informs our design and product decisions. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include developing a usability test plan, moderating a user testing session, many specific types of usability testing, such as tree testing, A/B testing, and focus groups, and analyzing user testing data, creating themes without bias, as well as a usability testing report. By the end of this course, you'll know how to plan and execute effective usability testing. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn usability testing techniques with a UX user testing course at Pluralsight.